analingan mo. Lapit naman ang analingan mo. Sige may bake. Lapit naman ang analingan mo. May baka may upos sa bakalong at take your name. Raise your hand. Let me pronounce a blessing upon your life. May the Lord bless you. And may the Lord keep you. And may the Lord make His face to shine upon you and give you grace that you achieve everything you've dreamed of achieving. And may He make it a reality, the dreams of your heart that He has placed in you. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Baka taparan na nung nitatala, nisoto mo na lingana, baka puto niya ang tagig ka muli,
and your family, and your children, and the children, and the children. May His presence go before you, and behind you, and beside you, all around you, and within you. He is with you, He is with you. In the morning, in the evening, in your coming, and your going, in your weeping, and rejoicing. He is for you, 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 He is for you.